Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ADP login issues, account verification errors step by step clearly. To fix ADP login issues related to account verification errors, first, visit the official ADP website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields. If you receive an account verification error, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Ensure you check your email for any verification codes sent by ADP. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you have the verification code, return to the ADP login page. Enter the verification code in the appropriate field. If you still can't log in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Close your browser completely, then reopen it and attempt to log in again. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device to access your account. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you are still facing issues, contact ADP customer support for further assistance. Prepare to provide them with your user ID and a detailed description of the issue. They will be able to guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. Following these steps should help resolve your ADP login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.